Andito kami sa
You can look
Tirtaganga.
around. So
Yes.
I want buy some food.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Later I meet you here.
Yes. Ayan, so ang ganda ng place. Yan. Daming magjojowa. So namili rin kami ng food para sa fish. Kaya lang makulimlim. Tapos medyo mainit. Pero okay lang naman, may hangin-hangin naman.
Nasa Bali ka pala.
Hello, friend. Ito yung friend ko. Oo. Marian, miss ka na namin.